Today I'll show you how to change the background color in Canva. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on making Canva easy and fun for everyone. Today's tutorial is perfect for beginners and seasoned designers alike. Changing your background color might seem simple, but mastering this skill can completely transform your designs and make them stand out. Start by clicking directly on the background of your design. This opens up the background menu at the top left of your screen, where you'll see the background color option. Make sure you're clicking on an empty area of the canvas, not on any text or elements. If you accidentally select an element instead, just click away from it and try again. The background menu is your gateway to endless color possibilities. Here you can pick from default colors or gradients. Want something unique? Add your own custom color and watch your design update instantly. When adding custom colors, you can enter hex codes if you have specific brand colors you need to match. This is especially useful for businesses maintaining brand consistency across all their marketing materials. You can also use the color picker tool to extract colors from images you uploaded. Bright, bold colors can grab attention while soft pastels give a gentle, professional touch. If you're enjoying this guide, hit the like button to see more. Canva tutorials, color psychology plays a huge role in design. Blues convey trust and professionalism. Reds create urgency and excitement. Greens represent growth and health, while yellows evoke happiness and energy. Consider your message and audience when selecting your background color. For more dynamic designs, try gradients. Canva lets you choose linear or circular styles and even add multiple colors to create depth. Gradients are trending right now and can add a modern, sophisticated look to any design. They work beautifully for social media posts, presentations, and website headers. Don't be afraid to experiment with unexpected color combinations. Sometimes the most striking designs come from bold choices. Adjust the angle for linear gradients until it looks perfect. Once set, your chosen color or gradient can be reused across your project for consistency or to match your brand palette. To save time on future projects, you can save your favorite colors and gradients to your brand kit if you're using Canva Pro. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain visual consistency across all your content, which is crucial for building brand recognition. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Canva background can go from plain to personalized, giving your project a polished, professional finish. Happy designing? Before you go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite background color combination? Are you team bold and bright or soft and subtle? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a Canva tip. Check out my other tutorials in the playlist below for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.